as perfect negative form. We have the examples here for two things that happened in different times, in different moments. So we have here, she had not finished school when she traveled to Spain. Liz had not finished school when she traveled to Spain. Okay, we can use had not or we can use hadn't. Okay, what happened first? Liz traveled to Spain. What happened later? She finished school. So she hadn't, or Liz hadn't finished school when she traveled to Spain. Next example. Saturday 6 p.m. John finished preparing dinner. Saturday 8 p.m. The storm started. Okay, so the storm started at 8. So the storm had not started when John finished preparing dinner. The storm had not started when John finished preparing dinner, or hadn't. The storm hadn't started when John finished preparing dinner. Another example we have here is we hadn't finished the test when the principal came to the classroom. It implies that we were answering the test when the principal came to the classroom. Okay. Last example is this one. The children stopped watching TV at what time? At 9. But at 8:30, the children's dad got home. Okay, so the children's dad hadn't gotten home when they stopped watching TV. Okay, the children stopped. Well, the children's dad hadn't gotten home when they stopped watching TV. Okay, well, we have here the sentences, and well, that's all. This is the way they should be. Okay, we have the use of yet. As you can see here, we have the use of yet. We can use just a sentence like at the beginning, but we can use also this expression that in Spanish means aún. Okay, as you know, yet is aún or todavía in Spanish. Here we are. This is the way they should be written. The principal came to school, and then we have it. Okay, it's the same idea, but using yet. Okay, and so with both sentences, with our sentences we have seen. Okay, well, that's all for this video. I have you to watch the next one. That is the negative. It's not negative form. The next one is for the interrogative form. There, where the arrow points, you will watch the past perfect interrogative form. See you in the next video.